everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cordless spin mop. So I want to show you all what this looks like and how it works. By iDOO. Okay, let's open this up here. And here's all the pieces and parts in there in the empty box. Okay. So these are all the parts here. Let me see, I'll aim you down a little bit as we kind of assemble this. We'll see if we can figure this out together. So it looks like this is going to be the main unit part. And you can see here it's got the nice pads on it. It's got some container here, I guess, for stuff. And let's see what else we got going on here. We have the battery goes in there. I'm gonna guess this is a extension wand. So you can push that to extend it. Let's see, does it go? I'm gonna go this way here. Or this way here. Oh. There we go. That's on there now. Let's see what other pieces of parts. Here's the charger for it. Here is the battery. Looks like the battery goes in as such. It's got the little lock button here to take it in and out. The charger will charge from back here. There's a couple of batteries here. I'm gonna guess this is to control it from the top. So it's kind of remote control-ish from the top to the bottom. Let's see if we can open this up. Okay, so we will put these batteries in. Oops. There's 1 and 2. Okay, so there is that. And then that'll go in there. And we are going. We want to stop it. Okay, the remote works. That's funny. So it's the way this works. This will work even if it's not connected, right? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it does need to be connected. It's funny, it's got a remote control. Well, it's got the buttons here. You can see it spins as such. And then what does the button on the bottom do? I'm not sure. But we have a top button and a bottom button. And the way it'll work is it'll go like that. Okay. Okay, so that's what all that does. So let's figure out what else we're missing here. Probably gonna squirt water or something. And we have these extra pads here. So we got extra pads, here's this, and let's see. Cordless spin mop. Filling the water tank. So that's this section up here. I'm gonna move the box out of the way. And here's the water tank. So it looks like this pulls out and we will fill it from here. I'm just gonna put water in here now without any cleaning solution. Okay, water tank is full. Screw this cap on, put it in there. Okay, now let's give this thing a try. I'll aim you guys down over here. There's a little area floor that you can see from there. You can see. Okay, so here it is. This is the start and stop. And the bottom one sprays. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can see this, watch. It sprays it out, the water. So there, now I am mopping. Look at that. And that's start and stop. And it's got a 2 on the dots. I'm guessing that must be the battery level. Must be a 2. So here I am, cleaning up my area. Spray some more water and clean it up. Look at that. Really cool. It's gonna do a good job, man. It's really nice. So that's it now. That stops it. Let's look. Did it get dirty at all? Not really. It's pretty clean to start with, but it's really cool. I like it. And it's got a little bit of wet to it. And I can see I've mopped all up here, so this would be good for cleaning up some gook or whatever that you get. So it's just gonna squeegee it all up into here. It's not gonna go into any vacuum or anything like that. It is just a mopper. So really cool. I like this. And it kind of clips into place there to hold it up. And I guess this is some sort of sensor up here. Let's see if I can get rid of that little sticky stuff. And the spray came out right there. Really cool. You can hold it here or hang it up from this right here too. And it looks like it has the ability to, if I push this up, I can extend it so I can go really long, so it can get super tall. So really cool, nice little mop. Thumbs up for sure.